welcome to Askeltape, the blog where we review patient monitors, cables, sensors, and all the technology that makes you a better physician, a better nurse, a better technician, an all-around better person. Now, today we're going to be using, of course, our Solar 8000 made by Marquette patient monitor attached just to a standard RGB computer monitor, and we're going to review a very simple product. When I say simple, I don't mean that the job it does is any less important than any other job or any other cable or sensor, but rather it's a very simple mechanism, simple device with a simple measurement. So what we're looking at today is the reusable temperature sensor. Now, this particular sensor was provided to us very generously by our friends at Cables and Sensors. And if you are looking for this product over there, it is reference DMQ-AS0. Again, that's DMQ-AS0. It's the temperature sensor for the GE Marquette adult skin sensor. Now, I've already plugged it in to our Tramrac 4A. You will notice that it's very simple. It's just a one kind of probe sensor. The male end plugs right in, and then this particular end, the sensor end, it's going to go on top of the hand just like so. Now, it has no adhesive or sticky, so what you're going to have to do is use standard gauze tape. In this particular case, I've got 3M gauze tape, standard pair of scissors. You're just going to put it right on top of the patient's hand, take a little piece of your tape, and tape it right to the top of the hand. Very simple. Once it's given a few seconds to measure temperature, you're going to see your measurement right here on the patient monitor. It will start to increase till you get to a healthy temperature. As long as it's in red and flashing, the temperature is not ideal yet of your patient. So, that in essence is in fact the reusable temperature sensor for the GE Marquette, the adult skin sensor. Very simple, very easy to use, very easy to read. But I'll tell you what, it's a quality product that you need to have in your patient monitoring kit.